Hey guys, this is MKC Electronics. I've been a few months off, but now I'm back at it and I'm bringing you a new Sahara case. This one is Sahara P37 and we will do unboxing, closer look, and then I will show you how built system looks in this case. So without further ado, let's have a look what is inside. So I didn't open yet this case, so I have no clue what is inside. I don't know guys if you can see me on the camera because I have not much space here because my studio is now under reconstruction. Well, reconstruction, I'm just moving stuff around. But it's not ready yet. So we will do it here on this table. Oops. Okay. And let's put it upside down. Sorry to headphones users. Hopefully I can just flip it. Yeah, I can flip it. And it slides off. Well, I have to say, this case was £60 shipped. And already it feels premium, yeah? For those money, it feels nice. But they have a nice color printed box, yeah, with shiny black color on it, like a piano black. The foam is nice and sturdy. It's not like your usual white polyester and bubble thing, which is well off. This one is foam. Perfect. Yeah. Take our plastic off, plastic back, and straight up I can see here we have a dust filter, a magnetic dust filter coming off. Okay, tempered glass at the front as well, tempered glass, and from all three sides we have a tempered glass. Yeah, that's wow. Like for the budget, for the 60 quid, that's wow. I mean it, guys, that's awesome. So what I can tell from first look at it, the I/O, yeah, we have a classic I/O here. And it is the power button, reset, USB 2.0, headphones, microphones, one USB 3.0 and LED button. LED button. Okay, let's take down the tempered glass and let's have a quick look how many fans we have to get. I believe it should be 4 of them, yeah, but we'll see. Because on picture it's 6, but I don't think so. It comes with 4 RGB fans. Okay. Now let's see if the glass fall off. Oh, it didn't fall off. So that's mean it's our rubber grommets here. Nice touch. Because some cases you take them screws down and the glass just fall on you. Not this time. So yeah, as I was thinking, 1, 2, 3, 4 RGB fans, which is okay. Again, that was £60 case. This one. And it's not flimsy. Yeah, what I would expect. I would bend it already by touching it. And let's take the other side panel off. And I'm looking still for back with screws and stuff. Maybe it's inside the box. I will have a look for it. Okay. Yes. So at back you have a hard drive / SSD cages. Two of them. Yeah, and remote control screws. You have a use cloth for wiping the side panels, something like for the glasses. Full bag of screws, some zip ties. It's good. Good stuff. Good stuff. So let's have a quick look. What is that? Oh, okay. There's some loose of them. Some of them are loose. Okay, so they have included anti-vibration rubbers for those hard drive cages, where you put them on a side like this, and when it slides in the case, it prevents vibration from the hard drive. Nice touch. Well done, Sahara. Okay, we have rubber plugs in there for the USBs. Like a dust cups. Okay, let's put them in. Yeah, they are nice. They don't drop in too deep, so you can reach for them. Because I've seen this already with some other cases, and you put the stopper in, and it goes too deep, and then you can't retrieve it, and you need to use some tweezers or something to take it out. So yay! Look at that. They put in there the spare rubber feet for the side panels if you happen to lose your off. So you have two of them spare. And what else is here? Obviously, all screws here for the motherboard to install all your parts in there. We have a few zip ties, speaker, the remote control what I talked about for the fans, the cloth for cleaning, and that's about it. Yeah, I can see maybe I did lost it, but I'm not sure about that. Ah yeah, it's in the back. So they have a small rubber stoppers, dust cups, or how we want to call it, even for the headphone jacks and microphone jack. We put it in, and dust doesn't go in. I think nice touch. Honestly, I think that's good. So we have here a splitter box for the RGB fans. Yeah. It can hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 2, 4, 6, 8 fans, and I believe there is another 2 connection for the RGB strips. Yeah, so even RGB strips, if Sahara will put them on sale, then they have as well connection as well here. And let's have obviously the AR sensor here. You can connect it to that LED button, so you can do it physically as well here. We have HD audio and USB 2.0 here. The front reset power HD LED and power LED, and USB 3.0. All of those cables are flat, which is nice, except the 3.0, but that's a standard. Then I haven't seen flat 3.0s in many cases. So have a look on this. So cable management. For cable management, we have a like 1.5 centimeters at back space, and rubber grommets all over. Nice ones. Yeah, they are not stiff. They are soft, but not that soft, so they would not hold the shape. And yeah, cutouts here. Here is cutout without grommet. What we talking? We talking so 3 fans at the front, 1 fan at the back, 3 of them here at the bottom. I would say another 2 at the top, and maximum size it looks at the top could be two 140s or 120s. At the front 120s only, or on the bottom 120s only. What are we talking about filters? Yeah, so we have the dust filter, magnetic dust filter from top. We have dust filter at the bottom, which you can just slide out, and it's also magnetic, which is nice. Overall, they did put nice stuff in this case. We have our feet, which have a rubber pads on the bottom, so it will not scrape your table or something. Let's try to remove the front panel with the tempered glass. I'll double check. Yeah, it's just pop off. This is always awkward to do. But yeah, the front fans, they are not filtered, and only intake is here from the bottom. We'll see how it will do in real life, this option. And let's just pop back on. That's it. Yeah, solid state drives, we can fit there, obviously, plus those 2 kgs, so 2, 3, 4 SSDs, and that's about it. Yeah, support for the motherboards, it's obviously ATX, micro ATX, and ITX. That's about it. Power supply, video cards, literally there is no limit. You can fit any video card you want. If you want all-in-one water cooling, I would suggest put it on top. And expansion slots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Power supply length, yeah, there will be some limitations, but usually all the standards power supplies will fit in. But if you put something beefier, like I don't know, 750 Corsair or something, they are the RM series, they are longer, so it will be a little bit awkward with cables. But let's see. Yeah, you cannot. No, that's rivets. You cannot remove the cage. So yeah, power supply would be a little bit limit there, but let's be honest, it's 60 pounds case. I know I'm saying that always, but you wouldn't be building like a few £1,000 system into it. This will be like £1,000 computer, include everything. I mean, in case like this. Okay, I think that's it. That's the whole description, because there is not much to it. Literally, yeah, they have standard things like these cable management hooks and stuff. And rather than think out what to say about it, I will show you. I'm gonna build computer into it, and see you in a bit.